Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find t value. Solution: 6 power t plus 6 power t plus 6 power t by 2 power t plus 2 power t equal to 36. Now this 6 power t is common, so we are going to take that 6 power t open bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 by, in denominator 2 power t is common, so 1 plus 1 equal to 36. Now 6 power t times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 by 2 power t times 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 36. Now this can be written as 6 power t by 2 power t times 3 by 2 equal to 36. Now we are moving this right hand side, so 6 power t by 2 power t equal to 36 times 2 by 3. So simplify this, we'll have here 12 1. So 6 power t by 2 power t equal to 12 times of 2. Now 6 power t by 2 power t equal to 12 times of 2. A power x by b power x equal to a by b whole power x. We are going to apply this here. So 6 by 2 whole power t equal to, this is 24. Now to simplify this, we'll have 3 here. So 3 power t equal to 24. Now we are going to take a log on both sides. Log 3 power t equal to log 24. Now we are going to apply this log power formula, that is log m power p equal to p log m. This power log formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get t log 3 equal to log 24. Now we are going to divide by log 3 on both sides. Log 3 here, here log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this, so we have t equal to log 24 by log 3. Now this 24 can be written as 3 times of 8. So t equal to log 3 times 8 by log 3. Now t equal to log 3 plus log 8 by log 3. Here we applied that log product formula. Log a b equal to log a plus log b. This formula we have applied here. So t equal to 1 plus log 2 power 3 by log 3. So t equal to 1 plus log 2 power 3 by log 3. Now we are going to apply this log power formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. This we are going to apply here. So t equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 by log 3. Now log a by log b equal to log a base b. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get t equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3. This is the t value for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.